Hi guys, I really need your help. Please watch this video. If this video touches you in any way, please get in contact and let's help this community. They need our help. This video has made me cry, and I bet this video will also make you cry. Please watch it and please get in contact. I need your help to help them. They need our help. Please watch this video. Thank you. This is Aplesu in the Yilo Krobo constituency. Now, this video made me cry, and I want to share it with you. Now, people are walking long distances in this community to go and fetch water. Every morning they do this. This is like a routine. Every morning they walk these long distances to go and fetch water, to look for water. Not acceptable, right? Now, getting to the stream, look at the color. They walk long distances to come and look for water. They get here and look at the color of the water. My God, this is not acceptable. I cried watching this. And this is 21st century Ghana. This is Samlesi Aplesu in the Yilo Krobo constituency in the eastern region, right? This community walk long distances to come and look for water. And when they get to the stream, this is the color of the water they are fetching. Not clean, not hygienic. This is the water children in the village drink. This is the water pregnant women drink. This is the water sick people drink in the village. No other water is available. This is the only water they have. And they have to walk long distances, right? After walking long distances, this is the water they can get, right? Not acceptable at all. This touched me badly. This got to me, right? This is not acceptable. Look at the color, right? Look at the mud. Look, this is muddy water. You can't be drinking this, right? Unfortunately, this is the water they have to drink. This is the water they have to do everything with. Now, after getting home, this is how the water looks like, right? They came from the stream. This is how the water looks like, right? When they get home, they can't use it in this form. So what they do is they have to put it on fire. They have to cook it. They have to heat it, right? To make it a bit safe. Even after cooking, this is how it looks like. Look on the fire. This is how it looks like. It still looks muddy. It still looks unclean, right? This is what they have. They have to fetch the water, long distance fetch the water, bring it home. They have to cook it to make it a bit clean. After cooking, they have to sieve it. They have to sieve it to remove all the bad, all the big particles, all the particles from it. You have to sieve it. And this is what they are doing right now, right? Look at the color of the water, right? So they first bring it, they cook it, and then they sieve it. Now they are sieving it to remove all the big particles from it. Otherwise, when you have a shower, you have soil and clay all over you. After sieving, that is how it looks like, right? After cooking, sieving, that is how it looks like. Oh my God. This is not acceptable, right? This is 21st century. And the leaders in Yilo are allowing people to drink this. They don't care. The Yilo MP, Albert Nyakote, knows this. The Yilo MC, Kupalo, knows this. Look at the color. Look at this. And they don't care. This is the material they use to sieve the water. Look at what is left on the material. This is what they use to sieve, to make the water clean. Look at what the particles that are left behind. And people are going to drink this. Please, we cannot wait for the local politicians. They do not care, right? The local MCE, the local MP, Albert Nyakote and Kupalo, they do not care. We cannot wait for them. I am trying to construct a borehole for them. I want to help them get a clean and safe water, but I need your help. I cannot do it alone. We need your help. We cannot wait for the leaders there. They do not care. And these people will keep getting sick. So please help me. If this video touches you and you want to help, please get in contact. Let's construct a clean and safe borehole for them. They need our help. Thank you so much.